106 Goan entries were there. The qualifying rounds were held at various places in Nargaon as well as in Vasco, and now we have started with the main round matches for the last 3 days. Today we are having the pre-quarters which were completed in the morning, and what you can see now are the quarterfinal matches which are going on. Tomorrow morning we will have the semi-finals followed by the finals in the afternoon session.